Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your first product to the shop in Odoo. So adding your first product in Odoo automatically connects it to your online store, inventory and sales system. So actually guys, first you will need to open the products page. So from your Odoo dashboard right here, you will need to go to the website and then go with the e-commerce from here next or between the sites and reporting options. And here you will need to go with products, the first option on the products section. And then just go ahead and click on you right here on the top left under the website or the logo here. And now you will need to enter the basic product informations. So you will need to go with the product type, if it's good or goods service combo, the order quantity or delivered quantity, track inventory or not, so you can go with it. And also you will need to set up the sales price, the taxes, the cost extra, okay, the category reference barcode extra, okay. And then just go with an image here, go with edit, and go with upload an image or URL, and then go with add. And I do really advise you to write product description. So go right here under the internal notes and add short description and full product description. Okay, so include the features, materials, sizes, benefits, usage details. So the good descriptions help the SEO and sales. So actually guys, once finished, the products will be added and that's it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.